Step 1. Understand what can be registered as a trademark before applying. It is important to understand what can be registered as a trademark. A trademark can be a brand name, logo, tagline, symbol, design, sound, or even a combination of these elements. However, the mark must be unique and should not be identical or confusingly similar to an existing registered trademark. For example, common or generic words cannot be registered unless they have acquired a distinct identity over time. Step 2. Conduct trademark search on official website. The next step is to conduct a trademark search. You should visit the official trademark search website at ipindiaonline.gov.in/TMR public search. On this website, you can check whether a similar or identical trademark already exists. You should search using different variations of your proposed name and under the relevant class. Conducting a proper search reduces the chances of objection or rejection at a later stage. Step 3. Identify the correct trademark class. Trademarks are registered under different classes depending on the type of goods or services. There are a total of 45 classes. Classes 1 to 34 cover goods, and classes 35 to 45 cover services. You must carefully select the correct class that matches your business activity. Choosing the wrong class may result in rejection or limited protection. Step 4. Prepare the required documents before filing the application. You must prepare all required documents. For individuals or sole proprietors, you need identity proof such as PAN card, address proof, and a soft copy of the trademark. For companies or LLPs, you need the certificate of incorporation, PAN of the entity, and details of the authorized signatory. If you are claiming prior use of the trademark, you must provide proof such as invoices, advertisements, or packaging materials. If you are applying through a professional, you also need to sign an authorization form known as Form TM48. Step 5. File trademark application on official website. The application for trademark registration is filed in Form TMA. You need to visit the official trademark filing portal at ipindiaonline.gov.in/trademarkfiling. On this portal, you need to fill in details such as the applicant's name, type of entity, address, trademark image or wordmark, class, and description of goods or services. After submitting the application and paying the required fees, you will receive an application number. This number can be used to track the status of your trademark. Step 6. Examination by Trademark Authority. After submission, the trademark application is examined by the Trademark Registrar. The registrar checks whether the application complies with legal requirements and whether it conflicts with any existing trademarks. If there are objections, an examination report is issued. The applicant must respond within the prescribed time to clarify or defend the application. Step 7. Publication in Trademark Journal. If the application is accepted, it is published in the Trademark Journal. This allows the public to review the trademark and raise objections if they believe it infringes their rights. If no opposition is filed within 4 months, the application moves to the next stage. Step 8. Registration and certificate. If there is no opposition, or if opposition is successfully resolved, the trademark is registered. A trademark registration certificate is issued by the authority. Once registered, the owner gets exclusive rights to use the trademark and can use the registered symbol. Step 9. Check rules and guidelines, optional but recommended. For better understanding, you can visit the official Intellectual Property India website at ipindia.gov.in. This website provides detailed rules, guidelines, and updates related to trademark registration. Validity and renewal. A registered trademark is valid for 10 years from the date of application. It can be renewed indefinitely every 10 years by paying the prescribed renewal fees.